take your career to new heights with our AI boosted all-in-one platform. Start for free and elevate with premium options. With the help of this website, you will be able to make resume, cover letter, job tracker, personal website, and email signature. So let's start the video. So firstly, you will have to come to this website, flowcv.com. I have given the link in the description. Then click on resume. Here you will have to choose the template, whatever kind of template you want. So suppose I like this one, so I'll choose this one. Use this template. Here you will have to fill whatever they will ask one by one. So they're asking for my name. Save. They're asking for email, phone number, address. And here you will have to fill all the information one by one. I'm just showing you guys, so I'm not gonna make the whole resume. Just you can download it from here. And your resume got downloaded. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe the channel. If you haven't subscribed, have a good day all.